Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and battery. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the position of the POGO connector cable for later replacement. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the POGO ZIF connector and disconnect the POGO ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the POGO ribbon cable from the adhesive on the display enclosure. Remove the retention tape that covers the POGO connector. Remove the two 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the POGO connector to the display enclosure. Carefully slide the POGO connector out of the cutouts in the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Tow the POGO connector into the cutouts in the display enclosure. Replace the two 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the POGO connector to the display enclosure. Replace the retention tape that covers the POGO connector. Insert the POGO ribbon cable into the POGO ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Position the POGO ribbon cable and apply pressure to the length of it to adhere it into place.